Alright guys, so this is just an experiment. As you can see, this is a problem that has occurred from yesterday to today. So I'm going to, at the very least, chop a significant amount of wire on both sides, not just one, and rewire them back or crimp them, and obviously remove this, and then just put typical butt connectors with a heat shrink and see if that works. Because as of right now, I don't have headlights on both sides. I can see these, but not the headlight. So that's what we're gonna try and see if we can fix today. Alright, so I already went ahead, cut these wires. They're pretty thin. Yeah, very thin. Whew. So we will see how this ends out working out. Because this is the thickness. Seems a little bit thicker because there's a little bit more wire in there, but we'll see. I just got done installing everything as best as I possibly could. So, alrighty guys, here's the test, oh yeah, oh hell yeah, that's what I wanted to see, and that's off. But I noticed that the other one also doesn't work, so I'm pretty sure either it burnt out along with it, or god dang it, man. How? I just realized that right now. Damn. This car really hates me, man. Well, at least that works. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? So, I took off this one already earlier, because I wanted to see if that one was the same as that one, as the other one. But I don't think so. I think this one just burnt out. So, yeah. So, for recap of what I did, chopped that, put more new wires there, called that a day, changed out the bulb on that one, called that a day too. So, yes sir, and yes sir. So that's the end of this video.